Alright, today I'm doing this video on the progress being made on the 1948 John Deere A project. Now it's finally starting to look like a tractor. It's funny. Got the hood on yesterday. Friend helped me do that. That's a two-man job as far as I know. Most people probably have to have two people to do this chore. We had the air and the exhaust in place, so we had to lift it up over that. The gas tank was sitting down. I think we had it anchored on the front part. It's kind of an odd arrangement. Let's see if we can see that under there. It's down. Yeah, see, there's the right there. I'm not going to touch it. I've got my flashlight in my hand, so that's the thing. Attaches to the sides of the hood here. So the front part of the tank is suspended from the hood, and the rear rests in this cradle, and then attaches to the hood over here, right there on this side. See that nut has a little clip on top of it. So that was kind of a weird thing to do. I've never done that before, but that's the way that goes. Then we, after the hood was in place, we set the steering shaft in there. Put the steering shaft in right from this piece on the front. Take that off, slide it in. It goes all the way back through all that little tunnel right there. Comes out here. Goes on back through that post right there. Sits up there in the middle of nothing. To the steering wheel. We put the steering wheel on so we kind of wind up that screw gear around the pedestal gear. You know, just turn it and wind it around and get it on there. And then next I'm going to have to put the instrument panel out here and get all the wiring hooked up. Like this one comes from the battery, or the starter. I mean, it comes right from the starter, which is where the battery attaches to the starter. And I've got your front light on one and rear light on the other. I think my switch will accommodate either rear or front lights. And they attach to that piece that I'm going to put on. It goes between the on-off switch and the light switch. And this light comes from either the L or the light, the L on the voltage regulator, or in this case I think it says Gen on mine. And then the other one goes to the amp gauge right next to this one, this guy here, which comes from the starter down below. Like I said, the steering wheel's on, looks good. Got that other light over there finally painted green like it's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be green. Cleaned up the lens. Like this is the old cap. I'm gonna have to get the new one on here pretty soon. And then the new radiator cap is on. Oh wow, she's looking good, man. Except this is a little tight right here. It doesn't touch, but awfully close. You have to take that out. You might have to go like that with your hood. Okay. I think that's about it for the day. Fun times putting this thing together. Always some new project that you got to learn about. All right, thanks a lot for watching.